Drinking water properly, a small matter that's incredibly important. As a doctor, I often encounter patients coming in with symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, dry skin, and even prolonged constipation. Interestingly, after ruling out complex medical conditions, many of these cases simply stem from improper water drinking habits. We all know that water is an essential component of the body, accounting for 60 to 70% of an adult's body weight. However, how much water is enough? What is the best time to drink it? And is it true that the more you drink, the better? These may seem like simple questions, but not everyone can answer them correctly. In today's article, I'd like to share with you some simple, practical knowledge about drinking water the right way, helping you not only prevent illness, but also maintain good health every day. 2. Benefits of drinking water properly. 1. Supports metabolism, the foundation of a healthy body. Water directly participates in most metabolic reactions in the body. When you drink enough water, your cells function more efficiently, helping to burn energy, absorb nutrients, and eliminate toxins. That's why anyone aiming to lose weight or improve their health is often advised to start with drinking water properly. 2. Detoxifies the body and supports kidney function, our natural filtration system. The kidneys act like a blood filter in the body. When there's enough water, they work smoothly, removing waste through urine. If you drink too little water, toxins can build up, increasing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Beautifies the skin and reduces acne. A simple but effective secret. The skin is the largest organ and also reflects the body's hydration status. When dehydrated, skin becomes dry, dull, ages quickly, and is more prone to breakouts. On the other hand, regularly drinking water helps the skin retain natural moisture, stay radiant and clear from the inside out without relying too much on cosmetics. 4. Improves focus and reduces fatigue. Especially important for office workers. Even a 1–2% drop in body water levels can make your mind sluggish, make it harder to concentrate, and leave you feeling tired. For people who often work in front of computers, drinking water properly helps keep the mind alert and significantly boosts work performance. 5. Aids digestion and prevents constipation. Absolutely essential. Water softens stools and supports bowel movement. Those who frequently suffer from constipation, bloating, or mild stomach pain may see significant improvement simply by drinking enough water daily, especially a glass of warm water in the morning after waking up. 3. How much water does the body need each day? 1. There's no one-size-fits-all number. Why? The amount of water your body needs each day isn't the same for everyone. It depends on your body weight, activity level, living environment, hot, cold, and health condition. However, there's a simple formula you can follow. 30 to 40 mL of water per kilograms of body weight per day. For example, if you weigh 50 kilos, you need about 1.5–2 liters of water a day. If you weigh 65 kilos, the number is 2.6 liters day. 2. Don't just count plain water. You can get water from plain drinking water, soups and broths, water-rich fruits, watermelon, oranges, cucumbers. Water content in vegetables. However, plain water should still be the main source. It should account for at least 70 to 80% of your total daily water intake. 3. Break it up. Don't chug it all at once. Drinking too much water in a short time, e.g. 1 liter in 10 minutes, can be harmful. It can dilute sodium levels in the blood and even become life-threatening if overdone, known as water intoxication. The best approach? Spread water intake across morning, afternoon, and evening. Sip slowly, don't gulp large amounts. Using a water bottle with measurement marks is a helpful tip to track your intake throughout the day. When should you drink more water? You need to increase your water intake if you exercise or sweat a lot, you live in a hot or dry climate, you have a fever, diarrhea, or dehydration from illness, you're a breastfeeding mother. How to know if you're dehydrated? Don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink water. Thirst is already a sign that dehydration has started. Watch for these signs: dark yellow and low volume of urine, dry lips and skin, mild dizziness, lack of focus. unusually rapid heartbeat. If you frequently experience these symptoms, chances are you're not drinking enough water during the day. 4. Golden times to drink water. Drink at the right time, double the benefits. It's not only about drinking enough water, but also drinking it at the right time. Choosing the right moments to hydrate helps improve absorption, supports body functions, and naturally prevents illness. Below are the golden hours you shouldn't miss. After waking up, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock a.m., 1 glass of warm water, 250 milliliters. Activates the digestive system and awakens your organs after a night of rest. Aids in detoxification through the liver and kidneys and helps cleanse the intestines. You can add a few drops of fresh lemon juice if you don't have stomach issues to boost the effect. Pro tip, sip slowly, don't drink cold or overly hot water. 2. 30 minutes before meals. 1 small glass of water, 150 as 200 milliliters. Softens food, stimulates digestive juice secretion, and improves digestion. Can help reduce overeating, beneficial for those trying to manage weight. Note: avoid drinking right after meals as it may dilute digestive enzymes and cause bloating. 3. Mid-morning, 9:30, 10:30 a.m., and mid-afternoon, 4 p.m. About 1 small glass, 200 ml each time. Replenishes water after morning-afternoon activities and keeps you alert. Especially for office workers, this is when mental fatigue sets in. Hydrating helps refocus and reduce stress. Tip: if you tend to forget, set reminders or use a water bottle with hourly markers. 4. 15-30 minutes before showering, 1 small glass, 150 ml. Helps regulate blood pressure, especially important for seniors and people with cardiovascular conditions, and helps your body adapt to sudden temperature changes. Avoid drinking too much water right before a hot shower. 5. 1 hour before bed. A few sips up to half a glass, 100 milliliters, helps prevent blood thickening and reduces the risk of nighttime stroke, especially in older adults. Supports circulation during sleep. Don't drink too much before bed to avoid disrupting sleep with nighttime bathroom trips. 6. Before, during, and after exercise. Before, 200 to 300 ml. During, take small sips if exercising for over 30 minutes. After, slowly drink 300 to 500 ml to replenish sweat loss. Water helps prevent cramps, regulate body temperature, and aid muscle recovery. And you may add a light electrolyte drink if the workout is long and involves heavy sweating. Quick recap. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Drink water on a schedule and at the right times. Maintain a regular hydration habit, and you'll notice real improvements in your health, skin, and overall energy. 5. What is the right way to drink water? It's not just about drinking enough, you also need to drink correctly for water to truly benefit your health. 1. Drink slowly. In small sips, not big gulps. When you drink too quickly, your body doesn't have time to absorb the water, and much of it is flushed out through urine. Moreover, drinking too fast can suddenly lower blood sodium levels, leading to dizziness, nausea, or electrolyte imbalances. Tip: sip small amounts at a time, ideally spreading your water intake across 10 to 12 sessions per day. 2. Prefer warm or room temperature. Warm water improves blood circulation, aids digestion, and reduces stomach cramps. In contrast, cold water can cause sore throat, bloating, or stomach discomfort, especially for those with weak digestive systems or the elderly. Tip: drink warm water in the morning and slightly cooler water at night to promote better sleep. 3. Avoid drinking water right before or after a full meal. Drinking a lot of water during or right after a meal dilutes digestive juices, reducing nutrient absorption and causing bloating or indigestion. Recommendation: drink water 30 minutes before meals and at least 45 minutes after eating to support efficient digestion. 4. Choose the right type of water. Recommended: filtered water, boiled and cooled water, light mineral water, or alkaline ionized water if available. Limit carbonated drinks, sugary beverages, energy drinks. Avoid water left out in the open for too long or water that's been boiled multiple times. Extra tip: add a few slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to create a light, refreshing detox water. 5. Use a water bottle with time markings. It helps you track better. You're more likely to forget to drink water when you're busy. Bottles with time indicators help remind you regularly, allowing you to spread your intake evenly throughout the day instead of overloading at night. Example: a 2-liter bottle divided into 8 time slots from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. 6. Signs you're drinking too much. Although water is good, excessive consumption can also be harmful, especially if you feel nauseous after drinking. Your urine is completely clear, and you urinate constantly, 10 to 15 times a day. Your lips are still dry despite drinking a lot. This could mean you're lacking minerals, not water. Advice: listen to your body. Don't force yourself to drink if you feel bloated or uncomfortable. Doctor's final note: treat drinking water as an essential part of your daily health routine, just like eating well or getting enough sleep. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just drink right, drink regularly, and listen to your body. You'll be one step closer to a healthier you every day. 6. When should you not drink too much water? Although water is good for you, drinking excessively, especially without listening to your body's actual needs, can lead to hyponatremia, low sodium levels, which causes fatigue, dizziness, and can be dangerous if prolonged. Signs you're overdrinking water: urinating more than 10-12 times a day, clear, colorless urine, nausea or bloating, still feeling thirsty or tired despite drinking a lot. You might be lacking minerals, not just water solution. Drink according to your actual needs. Don't force yourself to drink too much water in a short time. In certain situations, fever, diarrhea, intense activity, it's better to drink electrolyte-rich water rather than just plain water. Final doctor's advice. Recap. Proper hydration isn't just about how many liters per day, but about developing a smart lifestyle habit. Train yourself to drink slowly, regularly, at the right times, and most importantly, listen to your body. You'll notice clearer skin, better digestion, more energy, and even a boost in mood. 6. Common mistakes when drinking water seem small but can be harmful. Drinking water seems simple. Everyone does it daily, but many people are doing it wrong without even knowing. These harmless mistakes can affect digestion, kidney, and heart health, or simply make your efforts ineffective. Let's go through the most common ones with a doctor's perspective. 1. Only drinking when thirsty. Many people only drink when their body demands it, when they feel very thirsty. But thirst already indicates mild dehydration. This is especially risky for seniors, who have a reduced sense of thirst and may become dehydrated silently. Fix. Create a habit of drinking regularly, even if you're not thirsty. Small cups throughout the day work best. 2. Drinking too much in a short time. Some forget to hydrate during the day and then chug a liter or more in one go to meet their daily goal. This can dangerously dilute sodium in the blood, leading to hyponatremia, nausea, headaches, dizziness, or worse. Fix. Spread your intake throughout the day. Never overload in just 1-2 sittings. 3. Overusing ice-cold water. Ice water may feel refreshing, especially in summer, but over time it can irritate the throat, stomach lining, and disrupt digestion. If you have digestive issues or frequent sore throats, avoid cold drinks. Fix. Use room temperature or slightly warm water. It's safest for your health. 4. Drinking right after a full meal. This dilutes digestive juices and may cause bloating or indigestion, especially in people with acid reflux. Fix. Wait about 30-45 minutes after eating to drink, and sip slowly. 5. Replacing water with sugary or fizzy drinks. Some people dislike plain water and substitute it with milk tea, soda, or energy drinks. But these are high in sugar, chemicals, and caffeine and cannot replace water. Fix. Get used to plain water. If it's too boring, try infused water with fruits like strawberries, oranges, cucumbers, or mint. 6. Ignoring electrolyte needs. During severe dehydration. When you have high fever, diarrhea, or heavy sweating, water alone isn't enough. You also lose electrolytes. Fix. Replenish with electrolyte-rich drinks like ORS, coconut water, or sports drinks in moderation. Don't rely solely on plain water in these situations. Final takeaway. Hydration isn't hard, but if you're making 1 or 2 of the mistakes above, it's worth correcting now. A few small changes today can prevent a lot of health problems down the road. 7. Conclusion and doctor's advice. We often spend a lot of time searching for secrets to better health, longevity, and youthful living. Yet we forget that some of the simplest things, like drinking water, can naturally improve our health day by day if done correctly. As a doctor, I've met many patients who came in with symptoms like dry skin, constipation, chronic fatigue, and lack of focus. And after thorough examination, the root cause wasn't any complex disease, but simply neglecting the little things that keep the body in balance. So here's my sincere advice to you. Drink water regularly every day, even when you're not thirsty. Drink at the right time, in the right way, and always listen to your body. Don't treat water drinking as a routine chore. Make it a gentle, mindful, daily health ritual. Drinking water won't cure your illnesses overnight, but when practiced properly and consistently, it will help you prevent disease, boost mood, enhance your skin, support digestion, protect your heart, and keep your body functioning smoothly for a lifetime. A gentle closing note. Health doesn't come from grand gestures. It begins with a glass of water, a deep breath, a good night's sleep, and being kind to yourself. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your loved ones, because sometimes a small change can lead to a much better, healthier life for many people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, so everyone can learn to take care of themselves from the little things.